Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Verdie. I am a self-taught nail enthusiast and small business owner. On this channel, you'll see nail designs using acrylic, polygel, builder gel. I do haul videos and product reviews as well. Today's video is a review of Nail Addict LA's gel polish. So they reached out to me, asked me if I wanted to try their polishes. These are the colors that I picked. The first part of this video will be swatches and the second part will be a nail design. So the first swatch that I'm doing, this color is called Scandalous, and I just love the bright orange. I think I probably already have this color, but I love this color so much. So I decided to get it in this brand as well. This second color is called Electric Rose. And with my swatches, the top coat that I used was Madame Glam's gloss top coat and then their matte top coat as well. So that's the two examples I'm showing you. Madame Glam pairs really well with this gel polish. So I did like that a lot because I did not get their top coat. So this third color that I'm swatching is called Hottie Me. And I'll leave the colors that I swatch in the orders I swatch them in the description box below, along with the link to Nail Addict's website. And I do have a 45% off code that will be in the description box as well. This color is called That Hot, and it's a really pretty red. It's more like a deeper red than a bright red. I do like this color a lot, and I do like how these apply. They all could be one coat coverage if you go in with a thin layer, but if you go in with a thicker layer, you can do, two coat coverage if you go in with a thinner layers, one coat coverage if you go in with a thicker layer. This color is called Pinot Noir, and I had no problems with them curing. They didn't bubble, and I did vary the layers. Like some layers were thicker than others. It wasn't consistent. So when I went in with the thicker layer, I had no problems with it curing as well. So I do like how these apply. I do like how they cure. So far so good. So what I'm doing on my nails is just doing a simple gel polish design. And the color that I'm using is Hottie Me. This was the third color that I swatched. Again, that information will be below. And this is just over a dip powder set that I did a few days ago. So I just filed off the top coat and I'm just going in with some of this gel polish. I did use Madame Glam's base coat to start with, and you can see I'm trying to do like an abstract French design. So it doesn't have to be perfect when you're putting it on. I sprayed a little bit of alcohol on my palette, and I'm just going in with a brush to clean that up. Once I got everything cleaned up, I just cured it for about 10 or 15 seconds, and then I just went on to the second nail. And again, it does not have to be perfect. Look at my starting point on this nail. It does not matter if it's not perfect. Like, you guys, don't beat yourself up over it. Just keep it moving and just try and clean it up as best as you can. That's what I do. So that's what that looks like. And then I just went in on the other nails with a full nail of polish. I just did the design on two nails. So this nail design is simple, but I think it's really pretty, and I think it's pretty easy to do. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I am going to add some rhinestones, which you will see shortly, to those two nails. I wanted to show you how I did the second coat. I just go right on top of the design, and if I need to clean up anything, if I didn't stay in the lines, I just clean it up again the same exact way as I did the first layer, with just a little bit of alcohol and the brush. So, and that's kind of how I clean up my cuticle areas as well. I think you can use acetone for this step as well, the cleanup step, but I just really, acetone irritates my skin so much. So for me, alcohol is a little bit more gentler than acetone. So that's why I use alcohol. I am adding my rhinestones here, and then I'm just going in with some rhinestone glue. This is by Beetles, and I'm just doing that same type of design to match the cutout, the French abstract. So I'm doing the same line work where I'm going to place my stones, and I just place the stones and then cure those in the lamp for 60 seconds to fully cure it. And then I just come out and give it a top coat. Let me know what you guys think of the design in the I'm sorry, let me know what you guys think of the design in the comments below. I did leave the solid nails matte, but that only lasted with me for about 2 hours, and I went in and put a shiny top coat. I don't like the texture of nails, but I still have these on. It's been about a week, and I'm surprised I still have the rhinestones on because I really don't like textured nails. But what I can say about the rhinestone glue is it is holding my rhinestones. These are small ones, so they do adhere a little bit better than the larger ones, but I still have them intact. And if you are interested in beetles, I do have a code for their website in my description as well. So I'm going to go in with some of my cuticle oil, and I was trying my best to avoid getting it on the mat. But what I did after I applied it, I just kind of wiped that off with a little bit of alcohol and let that dry. And then I came back on camera. But when you're applying your cuticle oil, you want to make sure that you rub it in good. My cuticle oils are available on my website. A little bit goes a long way. And they are non-greasy. So once you get them rubbed into your cuticle area, you rub the rest into your hands and you are not greasy. This is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. And as always, thank you so much for spending your time with me.